Welcome to Seating Solutions and the Configura chair. So this is a fantastic riser recliner chair, and hence the name. It's really configurable, which is brilliant to suit lots of different clients. It comes in a variety of sizes as well. So today this is the medium size we have set up, and the configurability elements are within the armrests, being able to make them wider or narrower to fit your client. The backrest, we can move backwards or forwards to get the right seat depth for that nice supportive fit for your client. This one comes standard with the waterfall backrest cushions, and in themselves they're really configurable. They have a whole lot of soft stuffing inside which can be moved and manoeuvred to get the right support for your client. However, if that isn't enough and you need a bit more lateral support, we can look at adding some laterals underneath here. So this chair is set up in what we call a vertical lift, but it does also go into a standard rise, which is 23 degrees and 14 degrees. And I'll just move over to this side. So this chair is set up in a full tilt position, and it has a nice high elevation in the footrest for edema management. Moving over to the lateral backrest, so unlike the other chair, this one is a whole different backrest cushion if you need a bit more support, and a nice moulded headrest. So the whole chair is covered in a PU fabric and also has an amazing memory foam supportive cushion. However, there is ability to put an SL cushion inside if your client needs more pressure care as well. So overall, a brilliant configurable chair.